Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can go from Google Forms to Excel sheet. So to get started, first, open your browser and go to forms.google.com. Sign in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, open the Google form from which you want to export the responses. At the top of your form, you'll see three main tabs: Questions, Responses, and Settings. Click on the Responses tab. This is where all the data from people who filled out your form gets stored. Now, look at the top right corner of this tab. You'll see a small green spreadsheet icon. It looks like the Google Sheets logo. Click on that icon. It will either create a brand new Google Sheet linked to your form or open an existing one if you've already created it before. Once the Google Sheet opens, you'll see all your form responses organized automatically. Each column represents a question from your form, and each row represents a user's response. It's clean, structured, and ready for export. Now to download it as an Excel file, click on File in the top left corner of the Google Sheet. From the drop-down menu, hover over Download, and then click on Microsoft Excel.xlsx. The file will automatically start downloading to your computer in Excel format. Once downloaded, you can open it using Microsoft Excel or any software that supports Excel files. And that's it. Your Google Form responses are now in an Excel sheet ready to be analyzed, printed, or shared.